everyone, this is Penny, nice to meet you. Today we share with the label reflective heat transfer vinyls for you, and this one is the details. You can see it's very beautiful and braided as non-sticky. It is the main feel. You have choose the color. So follow our steps, and you will know how to use this vinyl on the designs on computer. Cutting the logos by cutting proper. Easy to cut. Easy to welding. Have a good reflect effect. Heat transfer the logo on the fabric. Adjust temperatures and the pressing time. Have a strong reflective effect. Follow for more.